Where are we going?
To the center.
Oh, to the shopping center. What are we going to buy?
The toy.
Toy?
And the baby toys.
Baby toys?
Yes.
That's not what we talk about. We're buying your...
Water bottle.
That's right. And show your shoes. Whoa! Where's Daddy Mike, honey?
In the gym.
Where?
In the gym.
In the gym? Are you sure?
In the office.
No.
I'm taking pictures.
You're taking pictures? Okay.
You're taking pictures with Daddy.
Oh, with Daddy. Okay, let's eat now.
3, 4.
Things that for Mommy lagi. Mama will open this.
C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L.
Alam nyo naman, sobrang init talaga ng pera ngayon. Kahit sobrang konti pa yan, kahit 20 pesos lang yan, sobrang init talaga ng pera. Lalo na ngayon may pandemya. Very, naghihirap talaga yung mga tao. At kahit naman siguro guys, hindi naghihirap, may mga tao talagang makakati yung kamay na hindi talaga mapigilan yung sarili na mag-knockout. Sabi ng police, if this person daw nandoon sa shop nung nangyari yun, wala na, yun na talaga. Kasi sobrang dami na daw ang record ng bata na yun na nagnanakaw nga. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday everyone. It is currently 12:05 ng hapon. Ayan. And baby Paris and I are ready. Come here, honey. Kasi we're going to...
The shopping center.
Where are we going?
To the center.
Oh, to the shopping center. Ayan. So, kaming dalawa ni baby Paris ay pupunta ng shopping center. Kasi, what are we going to buy, Paris? What are we going to buy?
The toy.
Toy?
And the baby toys.
Baby toys?
Yes.
That's not what we talk about. We're buying your...
Water bottle.
That's right. So, water bottle. Kasi, if you watch our previous video, guys, hindi namin alam kung nasaan yung water bottle niya. And, ito siya sobrang mapili. Gusto niya talaga yung Peppa Pig na water bottle. If, nung nakita niyo yung video namin before, guys, na...
I lost another one, Mommy. I lost another one.
Yeah, you lost another one. So, ayun, pupunta kami ng shopping center sa The Glen, yung malaki, para makita talaga namin yung gusto niyang water bottle. Kasi, arte-arte ng batang ito eh, marunong nang pumili ba? Show your outfit, please. Ay, shush! Ay, shush! Pagpataas, yung jeans na, makita yung puso. Jeans! And show your shoes. Whoa! Yay! Big girl, Ate Paris!
Again!
Do it again? Wow! So, kami lang dalawa ni Baby Paris, guys, kasi si Daddy Mike wala dito. Where's Daddy Mike, honey?
In the gym.
Where?
In the gym.
In the gym? Are you sure?
In the office.
In the office. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay pumunta ng city kasi nag-ano siya, ang tawag dito. Ngayon kasi yung fight ni Conor McGregor and ni Dustin Poirier sa sa UFC. And alam niyo naman ang ating Daddy Mike ay sobrang addict sa UFC. So yung ginawa nila, pumunta sila ng parang restaurant yata kasama yung mga kaibigan niya. Doon sila nanood. Ang kakababay ko lang pala sa sister ko, guys, nag-video ko kami. Sabi namin, alis na kami, pero open muna natin yung vlog natin. Ay, meron pala akong i-share sa inyo, guys. So, sobrang naawa talaga ako sa sister ko the other day kasi may kumuha ng phone niya. Nak, someone took tita's phone na?
Hers.
Thief. Kawatan is... Yeah, kawatan. It could be kawatan.
See?
Well done, honey. So, ayun na nga, guys. Nawala na yung phone niya. Sobrang iyak na iyak talaga siya, guys. Kasi, Yung nangyari kasi guys, ninakaw talaga sa loob ng bag niya. Kasi nga 'di ba may maliit siyang meat shop. Tapos sa gilid ng meat shop niya, ginawa niyang parang maliit na tindahan ng ukay-ukay niya. So minsan nagiging busy sila. First day niya yung napag-open ng kanyang ukay-ukay sa sa gilid ng meat shop niya nga. Tapos naging busy na, ganun-ganun. Nakalimutan niya yung bag doon sa ukay-ukay shop niya. So, yung bag niya na binigay ko sa kanya, ang laman pala nun, nandun yung wallet niya. Pero thank God, wala namang laman na pera. Pero nandun yung phone niya kasi low bat. So, kailangan niyang i-charge. Ngayon, nung hinanap niya yung phone para i-charge, guys, luckily, nandun yung bag pagpunta niya sa shop. Pero, wala na yung phone. And, sobrang iyak na niya. Tinawagan niya yung mama ko sa bahay. Yung mama ko hinanap na lahat sa bahay. Baka naiwan sa bahay. Pero 101% sure talaga siya na nadala niya sa bag niya. Kasi nandun din yung boyfriend niya. Alam ko na nandun talaga sa bag. Pero yung napansin lang nila guys, is very strange. Kasi yung wallet nasa labas na ng bag nung nakita nila yung bag. Pero wala na yung phone doon. So, yun nga sabi ko sa kanya, buti hindi kinuha yung wallet mo, yung phone lang. It's very strange naman. Sabi niya kasi walang laman yung wallet. Kasi sabi ko talaga sa kanya na wag kang maglagay ng mga cash, ng mga ganyan sa mga wallet. Kailangan nasa bangko talaga kasi alam nyo naman, sobrang init talaga ng pera ngayon. Kahit sobrang konti pa yan, kahit 20 pesos lang yan, sobrang init talaga ng pera. Lalo na ngayon may pandemya. Very, naghihirap talaga yung mga tao. At kahit naman siguro guys, hindi naghihirap, may mga tao talagang makakati yung kamay na hindi talaga mapigilan yung sarili na magnakaw talaga. At yan yung nangyari sa kanya guys. It's very sad kasi sa panahon ngayon parang ninanakawan ka na kahit sa harapan mo, 'di ba? Kasi nandun lang naman sa ibang shop, parang nakaalis lang ng ilang minuto siguro, hindi naman siguro hours na naiwan niya dun. Pero may suspect sila guys, may suspect sila na parang binatilyo na nandoon sa sa shop nung nangyari yung incidente nga na nawala yung phone niya. And nung nalaman nga kasi pinablatter ng sister ko just in case. Tapos nilagay sa online pag may nagbenta sa inyo ng iPhone 7 Plus. Let me know. iPhone 7 Plus Gold. Let me know. Tapos pinablatter ni Sister Mimi ko nga sa police. Tapos sabi ng police, if this person daw nandoon sa ang tawag dito sa shop nung nangyari yun, wala na, yun na talaga. Kasi sobrang dami na daw na ang tawag dito, sobrang dami na daw ang record ng bata na yon na nagnanakaw nga. Pero nung hinanap siya ni Mimi, nakita nila yung binatilyo nga, nakita nila. Tapos panay naman nagsabi na hindi ako nagnakaw. Pero alam niyo guys, yun yung naano ng sister ko kasi hindi naman sinabi ng sister ko kung ano yung nawala. Pero nung nagkita sila nung batang yun, sabi noon na hindi po ako ang nagnakaw ng phone nyo. O, paano niya nalaman na phone yung nawala? Hindi pa nga sinabi ng sister ko, diba? So, they're pretty sure na siya yung kumuha, guys. But then, wala naman tayong proof or anything like that. So, hindi namin alam kung saan hindi man matawagan kasi low bat nga yun, diba? So, even if na-charge na yun or whatever, ewan ko, guys. Basta alam ko lang ngayon ay sobrang naawa talaga ako sa sister ko. At sabi niya sa akin, sorry T, hindi ko sinadya. Kasi yung phone na yun guys, sa akin yun galing. Yung mga phones niya kasi, yung sister Mimi ko kasi, yan siya yung inheritor ko. So lahat ng meron ako, napupunta sa kanya kapag hindi ko na ginagamit, hindi ko na kailangan. From phone, clothes, shoes, bag, whatever, sa kanya talaga napupunta. Kapag nag-upgrade ako ng phone, so nung binili ko tong phone na to guys, iPhone 8 Plus, binigay ko sa kanya yung iPhone 7 Plus ko. So yun na nga yung nawala. And yun na nga, sobra siya nasaktan. Kasi nga naman siguro, naisip din niya na bigay ko sa kanya, tapos naiwala. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, don't worry about it na, kasi nag-sorry siya sa akin. Sabi ko, don't worry kasi sino naman yung gustong mawala yung phone, 'di ba? Meron lang talaga mga tao na walang puso, na parang ang bilis lang nilang magnakaw, parang yung bagay ng iba na alam nila na masasaktan yung ibang tao kasi kahit hindi natin isipin yung yung cost ng phone, may sentimental value yun, tapos may mga photos and everything sa loob ng phone, alam nyo yun. So, yeah, very sad. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, just chin up. It's a phone. At least, ang tawag dito, makakabili pa tayo ng phone. Sa Diyos na lang natin yung mga taong mga ganun na sobrang, yung mga magnanakaw, walang puso. So, yun ang sabi ko sa kanya, guys. Kasi, plano ko na talaga na bumili ng bagong phone. Kasi, ito, medyo, parang tagal na rin sa akin ng phone na to, guys. iPhone 8 Plus pa to, diba? Para sa akin, hindi naman kailangan talaga na parang, updated talaga yung parang kailangan iPhone 12 pag lumabas yung 12 na ako, ganun. Nung lumabas yung 10, yung mga ganun-ganun, guys, wala akong problema dun. Hindi ako nagbili-bili ng ganun. Kasi, for me, as long as the phone is still working, I'm fine with it. So, yun na nga, guys. Pero ngayon, na nawala na nga yung phone yung sister ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, I'll see if I can send phone through maybe hindi Australia Post kasi pag may battery, medyo mukhang hindi nila pinapadala sa ibang bansa. Pero there's other companies na pack and send ata. I think they do. So, yun na nga, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, just, wait na lang kasi pag nakakuha ko ng bagong phone, ito yung ipapadala ko sa kanya. Kasi, this still in perfect condition, guys. Wala pang problema ng phone na to. And also, this has like 256 GB kasi ito talaga yung binili ko for my vlogging kasi ito yung ginagamit ko na mag-edit and everything. So, I need extra space talaga yung memory. So, yun. So, ito yung plano kong ibigay sa kanya ngayon. Hindi pa sana talaga ako bibili o kukuha ng bagong phone. But now na, nawala, ninakaw yung sa kanya. So, ito yung ibibigay ko sa kanya at kukuha na lang ako ng bagong phone. Ay, naku. Ito lang mga magnanakaw, guys, no? But, alam nyo, guys, sobrang na-amaze ako kasi sinabi ko kay Paris na yun na nga, tita was crying kasi may magnanakaw, kinuha yung phone niya, and then, na-amaze talaga ako sa sagot ni Paris, guys. I-insert ko yung kasi na-videohan ko yun, i-insert ko dito sa screen kung ano yung sinabi niya na sobrang talaga sa puso ko.
Why, tita? I got a new one.
Are you sure?
I get a new one. I get a new one for tita.
It makes me super proud na kahit na yung anak ko, hindi pa nga siya 3 years old, pero meron na siyang parang idea at meron na siyang feeling na, don't cry, tita, we'll get you a new one. Parang ganun, parang, even though hindi naman niya alam na meron siyang pera or whatever na makabili siya ng phone ng tita niya. Pero the fact that parang pinapatahan niya yung tita niya na ganon. It just makes me very happy, guys. I'm very proud as a mother. Anyways, ang ating anak! Ano kayong ginagawa ng ating baby, guys? Tingnan natin. Ay, baby. Hindi na pala to siya, baby. Ate na pala to siya. Yes, anak. What are you doing, Ate Paris?
Baby get itchy.
Baby's itchy?
Just be itchy one.
Oh, okay. Is baby okay now? Did you put the cream?
Yes, I'm putting the cream one.
Ayaw, no, don't waste the cream, no. Just put a little bit, okay? Alright. Maybe put on yours too. Just a little bit, that's it. That's right. Nilalagyan niya ng cream kasi nangangati daw ang kanyang baby. Good girl. Where's your bag now? We have to go. We go to the shop.
Because we're not going. That's for you, Mom. Forward it.
Oh, honey.
Mommy.
Why did you wipe it on your shirt? Put it on your skin. On your hand. What is that?
It's because it's baby upside down.
Oh, Bubu fell down. Ito ang ating baby girl, guys. Oh, yan yung kanyang pa-outfit. Gusto niyang dalhin ang kanyang Peppa Pig bag. Oh, nilagyan ko na lang ng napi. Siya na yung taga-bit-bit ng kanyang Peppa Pig bag. Anak! Nak, I have a question for you, Nak. Nak, So Tita lost her phone. What you gonna do?
Hey, come now.
Huh?
I will do now.
What you gonna do? Tita lost her phone.
Why?
Did you say? No, someone took it. Did you say you gotta get her a new one?
You're gonna pay.
And you're gonna pay?
Yes.
Wow. That's very kind of you.
And
Do you love Tita?
yes, and give her phone. Which one?
It's very hot today, guys. Like maximum 34. Are you hot now?
Mom, it's not my car.
That's not your car. Your car is there, nako. Ato sang ipatugnaw, kainit kay sa sulod.
Mommy.
Mm.
That's cars it.
Whose car is that? That's Tita's car, I think.
Car?
It's Tita's car. Do you like your bag, Nak?
Yes, Mommy.
Oh, wow. I like your bag too. It's beautiful.
It's not hot anymore.
It's not hot anymore. It's still hot. We have to wait a little bit. Come here sa shade, Nak. Wow. What's the hi here, Tita Vic?
Hi. How you day? I
How?
get a phone feedback. Oh no, I'm in the call.
Ganyan talaga yung kanyang line, guys.
Hello.
Artista ka, girl. Artista ka, girl.
Oh.
Ay, Paris, Nicole kanimo. Guys, nandito na kami sa shops. Bumili lang ako ng chat time tea. Milk. Is that your toy? Hello, honey. Hello, Paris. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Parang kurik ating bata nakaupo. Honey, Tita is here, oh. Tito, watching. Hi. I'm in the shopping center. Ayan yung guys, chat time.
Happy center.
Yeah, shopping center. Yeah, it's very nice. Chair is very nice. This.
I sit here. Halfway up here.
You sit there while waiting, okay? Ito yung ating lunch. Ayan. So, fish head noodle soup. As always, guys, yung ating favorite. Tapos may rice dyan for Paris. And dito siya, oh. May selfie. Bon appetit! Kain na tayo, anak. Anak! Eat na na!
I'm taking pictures.
You're taking pictures? Okay.
You're taking pictures with Daddy.
Oh, with Daddy. Okay, let's eat now. Ayan, so kakauwi lang namin, guys. And pakita ko lang sa inyo yung pinamili namin sa shops. Hindi naman marami, guys. So, yung after namin nag-lunch,
This one, Mommy.
pumunta kami ni Paris sa TK Maxx. Ayan, TK Maxx. Kasi nga, bibili kami ng water bottle. So, ngayon, wala kami nakita na Peppa Pig. No, there's no Peppa Pig water bottle, no?
Oh, wait.
Show Tita dito what you have. Here. Yeah, unicorn. Unicorn na lang, guys. You're happy. You're happy, eh? Are you happy?
Yes, a happy you.
Oh, good girl. Ayan, so ito yung binili namin na water bottle, guys. Tag $12.99. Ayan, maganda to siya kasi, ayan, oh.
Mommy, can't.
Tapos, dyan yung straw.
Mommy, can't.
Close. Oh, clean. Okay, sure, honey. Tapos, nung nandun kami, of course, hindi lalabas si Paris nang walang laruan. So, ito yung binili ko para sa kanya. Ay. Play-Doh na maraming kulay. Purple, yellow.
Mommy.
Tell me, what color is this? Stand here. Mama gonna ask you a question. Here. What color is this?
Purple.
Good girl. This?
And orange.
Good job.
And yellow.
Yay, well done.
Green.
Green.
Blue.
Blue.
Red.
Can you sing me the rainbow song?
Rainbow, rainbow, kaji, rainbow, kasayita, kasayita. Like this.
Binili ko rin to para sa kanya, guys. Tingnan nyo, sobrang cute kasi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Tapos, $12.99 lang siya. Ayan. Sinuot niya yung white kasi bumagay sa susuot niya today. But, you know, in any, occasion, pwede ito niyang masuot, guys. Ayan. So, yan lang. Dapat sana mag-grocery kami kasi ang dami na namin kailangan dito sa bahay. We need toilet paper, yung mga necessity talaga. However, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, let's just do it when you get home tonight. Kasi it's very hard kapag nag-grocery ako kasama itong batang ilay. Okay. Color my nails, please. Kasi ito siya, may binibit-bit ako, tapos ito siya, may gustong bitbitin din, tapos gusto niya magpabitbit. So, yun. Kaya sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, hintayin na lang kita, tsaka tayo pumunta mamaya. Maaga pa naman. At least makakapag-relax pa rin kami. Wow! Tingnan nyo, oh! Kinolor ni Baby Paris ang aking kuko. Wow, so beautiful, Paris. Thank you, honey. Update pala sa ating chan, guys, no? Oh, diba? Bill plus baby.
Mommy, can I clean?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
This one. I can another one.
What do you say?
Please.
Please. Sing for mommy first.
Rainbow.
Okay.
What?
Yan, guys. Oh, kailangan pa yung tupiin.
3, 4.
Sing sa for mommy lagi. Mama will open this.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, W, X, Y, and Z. Why you know one, A, B, C,
Good job. What is it, honey?
You want the cup one?
There's lots of colors daw, guys. Ayan, oh. Uy, isa lang, anak.
That's for you, Mommy.
No, one only. One only for you and for me. It's okay. We can't open it yet. We have to pay for it, remember? That's the rule. You have to pay. That's right. Nandito pala kami sa shops, guys. Kasi si Daddy Mike natin hindi pa nakauwi. At mag-shut down na yung shop soon. So kami na lang ni Paris. Ah, popcorn. Maybe not. Wala, ang ating baby girl. Oh, la 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 la. La 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 la. Ah, put it back down. I think it's broken now. It's broken. You can't put it back. It's okay. Just leave it there. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, let's go. Let's go find fruit. Let's go get fruit.
This one is another one.
Yeah, you don't even eat it, honey.
Let's find that one, Mommy. This is biscuit.
Great.
You're going there.
What's this one too? This one.
I don't know.
You don't know? Seriously?
It is. It's not a grape.
It is grape. See, that's green grapes. This red grape. What would you like, Paris?
Come Mommy out.
Huh?
Come Mommy.
Pardon?
Pardon. And don't say what and pardon.
That's right. Don't say what. Say pardon, okay?
Pardon.
Guys, kakauwi lang namin from the shops. Kaya ang ating baby girl, ayan, oh, pumupunta siya ng kitchen kasi gusto niyang kainin yung chips. Kakaupo ko lang talaga, guys. Si Daddy Mike, wala pa pala dito, so nakauwi na kami from the shops. And, nag-dinner na lang daw siya kasama yung, yung kaibigan niya. Tapos kami ni Baby Paris, gagawa na lang kami ng, something lang, dilim-dilim. Very dark here, nak. We'll, make something here.
This one.
What is it?
This one.
What is it? What is it you want?
Get it, Mommy.
What are you after?
This one.
What would you like?
I want this one.
Because?
Mommy, get this one.
What's in there?
Wanna get it?
So, I'm just gonna quickly show you yung mga napamili namin, guys. First, ito. So, hindi ko na dinamihan yung binili ko kasi alam nyo naman kapag pumupunta ako ng shops tapos si Paris yung kasama ko, medyo nahihirapan ako, guys. Kaya binili ko lang talaga yung mga kakailanganin na namin dito sa bahay. Wala na kaming toilet paper. Kaya ayan. Toilet paper is life. And then we've got these wipes for Baby Paris. Uy, you okay? Ito yung hinahanap niya, guys. Pringles. Ayan. Here you go.
No, not this one, the red one.
Oh, the red one. Ayan. Ayan. Kasi dalawa yung binili ko, guys. Yung red tsaka yung green. Yung red yung gusto niya kasi plain. Be sure, tita yung kayo. What is that?
That's a chippy.
What's a chippy? Mama's gonna make something to eat. Hey?
No.
Okay, hang on. Just give me a second. Bumili ako ng milk. Ayan. Maliit lang yung binili ko. Yung ating shower gel. Bakit hindi nag-focus ang ating camera, guys? I got Sprite para pag
This mama.
sumama yung pakiramdam ko, makainom ako ng Sprite. Hindi masyadong nasusuka.
To you.
Happy birthday to you.
To you. Happy birthday.
And then, I've got one,
Mommy.
pancake. And you know what, guys? Yun yung binili ko for Paris, oh. S26 Gold Junior. 2+ years. Ayan. So, si Paris, guys, never ever in her life na nakatry siya ng ganitong mga gatas. Kasi nga, di ba, even before, breast milk talaga si Paris. Tinry ko siyang magganito before. Pero, ayaw niya talaga, ayaw niyang mag-take ng, milk bottle. Kaya yung binili ko before, nandito yung sister ko. Yung sister ko yung kumain, guys, uminom ng gatas. But this time, hopefully, kasi hindi na siya nagdidiri sa akin. So, we'll give her some of that and see if, she'll like it. What is it, enough?
I want the apple ice.
This one?
Yes.
What do you say, Mommy?
Please.
Please. Okay. You wanna sit on the couch, bro? Bring this cover off. Ayan. And then, I've got some... And then, bumili ako ng strawberries, bread na nakumi na. I've got some bananas, apple, mango pala, mango. Isa lang binili ko, guys, mahal, uy. $4 ang isa. Tapos itong pechay para bukas sa ating sabaw. Magluluto ako ng sabaw bukas. Apples. And what else in here? Ito. Kailangan ni Mami sa paglalaba. Fabric conditioner. Ayan. So, that's about it, guys. What is that? Do you don't watch TV? Okay.
There's snow.
What would you like to watch?
Snow one.
Snow? Okay. Put the TV on.
That's Mamu.
Mamu?
What's his name?
What's his name? Olaf.
Olaf.
That's right, Mamu say mom.
Olaf, Mommy.
Olaf.
Olaf. Daddy know it.
Daddy know it, yeah. Where's Daddy?
They're in the office.
In the office? It's
Yeah.
already late at night. Daddy's on his way home now. Do you miss Daddy? Nag-nap siya kanina, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-nap ka kasi pag gising mo, nandito na si Daddy. Ayan, pag gising niya, hinanap niya ang kanyang Daddy. Thank you.
Can we watch? Can we watch?
Can you sing me first, like the para cake? Come on. Sing for Mommy first.
When you watch TV.
Yeah, you finish that one first and then you sing for Mommy.
No,
Sing the para cake.
no, I want to watch.
I'll turn the TV on after you sing.
Twinkle.
No, para cake, Baker's Man.
No.
Yeah. Para cake.
Bigger man. Fight. Don't forget. On B. I'm putting the army on baby army.
Para cake, Baker's Man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. What's next?
Twinkle.
Prick it.
Pick it.
And roll it.
Alright. Bye. I'm putting my oven.
And put it in the oven for Paris and baby. Did you go to the shop with mommy?
Me on me.
Oh, me there. Did you go to the shop with mommy? With who?
Daddy.
Daddy? No, with baby.
Baby and sister.
Baby sister? Sure day ka nga sister na? Sure
Brother
day
and
ka.
sister.
Oh, brother, sister. Brother, sister. Brother, sister. Ayan.